Hello, Marist students and other members of the Marist community. You might have heard there's a presidential inauguration coming up on September 22nd and September 23rd. So what exactly is a presidential inauguration? Well, for one, it's a chance for a college to announce the arrival of a new president. But more importantly, it's an opportunity for a college to celebrate everything about itself. You know how great Marist is, I know how great Marist is. This is our chance to tell the world how great Marist is. We'll be giving campus tours, showcasing student research, and holding a number of academic symposia, including TED Talks. This all leads up to the main event at 1 o'clock on September 23rd, the inauguration ceremony itself. You're all invited. This will occur on the campus green, overlooking the beautiful Hudson River. We're looking forward to a beautiful fall day for a celebration that's only happened 5 times in nearly a century. It'll have much of the pomp and circumstance of a commencement ceremony. There'll be student musical performances, special guests, and just a chance to celebrate everything that's terrific about Marist. And right afterwards, we're going to have a huge reception right in front of the Student Center with food, drink, and music. It'll be a great chance for you to interact with each other members of the Marist community, and visitors from across the country. So register today. Invite your friends. We've canceled classes all afternoon for this special occasion. It's going to be an amazing celebration. I can't wait to see you there.